how to make a group admin in WhatsApp. So if you created a WhatsApp and you want to set another user as an admin on the WhatsApp group to be able to approve new user or add new user or post on the WhatsApp group using the admin right, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make a group admin in WhatsApp, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application and open the group. Before you can make a group admin on any WhatsApp group, you yourself must be an admin to have the right to change the admin or the right on the group. Now, once you open the WhatsApp group, you want to go to the group info or profile page. And then here, you're going to see the total number of your members. I can see I have 4 members. If you scroll down, you're going to see the total number of members. I have 4 members. And I am the sole admin of this group. Now, to make another person admin on this group, all you just need to do is click on the profile like this. Once you click on the profile, then you're going to see the information pops up. Info, make group admin, remove from group. Then click on make group admin and hang on. Then instantly, if you see the role change to admin here, now you now have 2 different admins. If you click on it again, you can dismiss as admin. You see that? So this particular person will not have access to all the features on this particular WhatsApp group. They'll be able to add friends, approve friends, remove other members, and even give other members the administrative rights. So that is basically how to make a group admin in WhatsApp. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.